You want to have a highly motivated team? Awesome! Today we're going to talk about the 3 motivators of teams. And hint, it's not about money only. So we're going to talk about why you should do this, the 3 motivators, and what are the results when you have a motivated and engaged team. Hi, welcome back. If you don't know me yet, my name is Sven and I'm an Agile coach based in Austria. And on this channel, we are going to explore how to make teams happier and more productive. And today we're going to talk about the 3 motivators and how they will help you to make your teams happier and more productive. So why should you do this? According to the Gallup survey, more than 80% of people are not engaged at their work. And as we are working in a more and more complex world, we need engaged people to solve those complex problems for us. And if they are not engaged, it's not going to happen. The cost alone of not engaged people are estimated at 7.8 trillion US dollars. That's 7,800 billion US dollars are the costs, or 11% of global GDP. So let's start making teams more engaged and change the world step by step. What are the motivators at work? The easy answer is probably money. But according to a study at MIT, this is only true for straightforward and very simple tasks. Otherwise, highly incentivized people led to worse performance. But on the other hand, yes, money is a motivator, because if you don't pay enough, people are not motivated. Pay your people enough, so the money is away from the table. But the problem with money is that it doesn't create psychological ownership of the task. And that's what we want to have. We want to have engaged people. But how do we get people now engaged? According to Dan Pink, in his famous RSA talk, he says it's 3 intrinsic motivators what people are looking for: purpose, autonomy, and mastery. So let's have a look at all 3 of them. Purpose. Do you have a why? Why does your organization exist? And by why, I don't mean to make a profit. And have a look at the talk from Simon Sinek. Start with why. And think about what's driving you and your company. For example, Apple's why is to put a thing in the universe. Or the why of Lasser is we want to have teams that enjoy their work. Autonomy, it's the desire to be self-directed, and it creates higher engagement. As an example, self-organized teams like in Scrum or in the Agile environment. Tell your people what they should do, but not how they should do it, because they will come up with great answers if you trust them. And mastery, it's the urge to get better at things. Everyone has this. And for teams, for example, include a simple retrospective where people can reflect on their work and think about how they can improve and become better and better. See the link here for 5 easy steps for an effective and productive retrospective. So what are now the results if you are having a highly motivated and engaged team? According to the survey of Gallup, first it's higher profitability by 23%, higher productivity by 18% at sales. It's 43% lower turnover of people in your organization. And then you create also an engaged culture in your organization, and this is really hard to copy. So you have a really good competitive advantage. So what do you think? Is this hack something you should try out? What are other hacks you're using to motivate your teams? Leave a comment below and tell me about how you're doing it. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, here is my latest video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make teams happier and more productive. And now I wish you an enjoyable and productive time.